Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Fatih here. Today is a really special day. I wanted to make this video for you guys because I want you to know about the history of Gallipoli War. If you are going to visit, or if you already visited Turkey, maybe you don't know about this war and you don't know how important this war in the Turkish history. The War of Gallipoli 1915. And today is the anniversary of that war, 18th of March. It's a really special day for us. We are always remembering the soldiers who lost their lives in this battle. Almost 250,000 Turkish soldiers died in this battle. And also 250,000 people died on the other side in multinational army. From Australia to New Zealand, from UK to India, many people lost their lives in this battle. Maybe you might ask, what were they doing in our land? They were trying to take over the control of Ottoman Empire. But the result, I will tell you what happened. Let's dive into my Canakkale 1915 video. The Gallipoli campaign of 1915 is hugely important for people in Turkey. Over 9 long months, the soldiers of Ottoman Empire fought bravely to defend their homeland from a multinational invasion. Around 87,000 Turkish soldiers lost their lives in the battle. In Turkey, the phrase "Spirit of Çanakkale, Gallipoli Peninsula" refers to a spiritual power that helps humans to achieve the impossible. The Ottoman soldiers were led by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, a charismatic commander who later became the founder of the modern Turkish Republic. The soldiers were prepared to fight to their deaths for what they saw as a holy cause. They were fighting for the sake of Allah, God, and for the protection of their homeland. A moving account describes the soldiers changing into their best clothes for the battle and leaving their older clothes in the bushes, because they believed that they should be properly attired when they entered into the ever after. The British had completely underestimated the tenacity and resourcefulness of the Ottoman soldiers and of their Turkish and German commanders. After 9 months, the Allied forces withdrew the peninsula defeated. The battle resulted in huge losses on both sides. Ottoman Empire, 86,692 dead, 164,000 wounded. United Kingdom and Ireland, 21,000 dead, 52,000 wounded. France, approximately 10,000 dead, 17,000 wounded. Australia, 8,700 dead, 19,000 wounded. New Zealand, 2,700 dead, 4,700 wounded. India, 1,358 dead, 3,400 wounded. Newfoundland, 49 dead, 93 wounded. This was it today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please just give us a thumbs up and comment below what would you like to see in this channel. See you in another video. Bye bye.